Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be making a delectable smoked mac and cheese, a dangerously tasty dish, and an old favourite. Let's begin by adding a chimney of charcoal to the barbecue. We want it to reach about a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to be placing 1 kilo of cheddar cheese in an aluminium baking tray, followed by some macaroni. Pour the milk evenly over the macaroni and stir so it's all coated. Get seasoning and add some salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and garlic powder into the mix. Then we need to add more cheese. I said it, more cheese. We can never have enough. Okay, time to throw it into the barbecue and replace the lid. We'll leave that to smoke for an hour and a half, but we can't rest just yet. While it's cooking, we need to chop up and cook off half a kilo of bacon. Cook the bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once done, place the bacon between 2 sheets of paper towel to remove some of the bacon grease. Next, we're going to need to check on the mac and cheese. Mix everything up and stir in the bacon. Let's leave that to cook for another 30 minutes. Alright, we're just about there. Thoroughly mix it all up again. Then sprinkle on the breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan. The breadcrumbs will make the top nice and crispy and the Parmesan will just give it a nice little tang. Put it back in the barbecue for a final 10 minutes. Once the time is up, take it out and let it rest for 15 minutes, otherwise you're going to burn the top of your mouth. There you have it, smoked mac and cheese. This cheesy delight is a weapon at social events or just at the dinner table. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.